Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring one of the most iconic and powerful helicopters in the world, the CH-47 Chinook. Known for its distinctive tandem rotor design, this impressive aircraft has earned its place as a true workhorse in military and civilian operations. The CH-47 Chinook holds the distinction of being one of the largest and most powerful helicopters ever built. With a maximum takeoff weight of 22,680 kg and a payload capacity of 10,886 kg, this aircraft can transport substantial loads over long distances. To put it into perspective, it can carry an M777 howitzer or up to 55 fully equipped troops. What sets the Chinook apart is its tandem rotor configuration. The two counter-rotating rotors provide exceptional lift capability, stability, and maneuverability. The rotors span an impressive 18.29 meters, allowing the Chinook to operate effectively in various environments, from dense urban areas to rugged terrains and even high-altitude regions. Powering this remarkable helicopter are two turboshaft engines, each generating 4,733 horsepower. These engines enable the Chinook to achieve a top speed of approximately 315 km per hour in a range of over 370 kilometers. Its high-performance capabilities make it an invaluable asset in military operations, disaster relief efforts, and aerial firefighting missions. The CH-47 Chinook has a rich history of service, having been in operation since the Vietnam War era. It has played a crucial role in numerous military operations, including troop transportation, cargo resupply, and medical evacuation. Additionally, it has been widely used in humanitarian missions, delivering vital supplies to areas affected by natural disasters or inaccessible by other means. In conclusion, the CH-47 Chinook stands as one of the world's largest and most powerful helicopters, renowned for its tandem rotor design, impressive payload capacity, and exceptional performance. Its versatility and reliability have made it a go-to choice for military forces and civilian organizations alike. Whether it's delivering troops to the front lines or providing aid in remote areas, the Chinook continues to prove itself as an indispensable asset in countless missions.